Hello and welcome to this video about pyramids. Pyramids are among the most fascinating structures in the world, and they have captured the imaginations of people for thousands of years. From Egypt to Mexico, pyramids are found all over the globe, and they come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. In this video, we will explore the history, architecture, and mysteries of pyramids. History of pyramids. The oldest pyramids in the world are found in Egypt and date back to around 2600 BC. These pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs, who were considered to be divine beings. The most famous of these pyramids is the Great Pyramid of Giza, which is the largest and most impressive pyramid in Egypt. It was built over 4,500 years ago and is considered one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Pyramids were also built in other parts of the world, including Central America and South America. The Maya and Aztecs built pyramids that were used for religious ceremonies and as tombs for their leaders. The most famous of these pyramids is the Temple of Kukulkan in Mexico, also known as El Castillo. Architecture of pyramids. The architecture of pyramids is a marvel of engineering. Pyramids were built with large blocks of stone, often weighing several tons each. These blocks were cut and shaped by hand and then transported to the building site. The pyramids were built layer by layer, with each layer getting smaller as the pyramid grew taller. One of the most impressive features of the pyramids is their precise alignment with the stars. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned to true north within a fraction of a degree, which is a remarkable achievement considering that it was built over 4,500 years ago. Mysteries of pyramids. Despite centuries of study, there are still many mysteries surrounding the pyramids. One of the biggest mysteries is how the ancient Egyptians were able to build such massive structures with such precision using only primitive tools. Some people believe that the pyramids were built with the help of aliens or some other advanced civilization. Another mystery is what the purpose of the pyramids was. While it is clear that they were built as tombs for pharaohs, there is still debate about why they were built in the shape of pyramids. Some people believe that the pyramid shape had some kind of religious significance, while others believe that it was simply a practical way to build a large structure. Conclusion. In conclusion, pyramids are some of the most fascinating structures in the world. From their ancient history to their impressive architecture and mysterious purpose, pyramids continue to capture the imaginations of people all over the world. Whether you are a history buff or simply fascinated by engineering marvels, the pyramids are sure to leave you in awe. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of the natural world, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching.